That pretty much sums up my initial anticipation of CamRock. Tim here from WiscoMTB. I haven't ridden a lot in the past few years, and the design of mountain bike trails has changed dramatically over the past 10 to 15 years. Needless to say, I was a little hesitant about this jump line. Berms, doubles, and drop-offs like this.
That's pretty high.
In Wisconsin, they were unheard of in my day. But now I'm seeing these as regular features on trails, so I guess it's time to adapt. I've never been much of a jumper, but I can tell by this point, I was sold on CamRock. CamRock is in all jump lines. It has some variety. I had to put this clip in because Dave goes all out here.
Whoa. You good? Hook this thing? Yeah.
It also has some built-in features that I'll be back to session another time. This is, after all, a preview. But we'll need to take a look at Corey's cam in a bit. Some people call it ClimRock, which, like most Wisconsin trails, CamRock does have its fair share of climbing.
Bike 100 miles, it's like 20 here.
Yep, I'm sucking wind. Corey's been on CamRock a lot over the past few years, and I can see from his footage that with some familiarity with the trail, improvement of skills, and better overall fitness, you can really hammer through these trails. Now to see Corey's cam from that log roll.
All right, I can do it. All right, maybe next time.
It's great to be out riding again. I'm Tim from WiscoMTB. Thanks for watching. And if you like this content, like and subscribe. In addition to giving CamRock a full overview, we have more upcoming rides planned. And we're excited to share our return to mountain biking. And hopefully, bring a few of you along for the ride.